Welcome. This video covers how to set up HOS users in MyGeotab. When you set up drivers for hours of service, you'll need to ensure that they have all of the required information entered so that they can successfully transfer logs over to the DOT. We'll begin by clicking People and then Users and Drivers, and in this case, we're going to add a new driver. To do that, we'll click our Add button. From our User tab, we're going to need to enter in a username or email. And in order to be compliant with HOS regulations, this has to be at least 4 characters long. We'll enter in the first name and the last name. We're going to say no for the forced password change. That means we are going to have to create a password, and then we'll make sure that we provide it to our driver later on. We'll leave authentication type as is, and we will add our security clearance, in this case as Drive App User. We're going to jump over to our Driver tab, and we're going to say, yes, this is a driver. We are going to enter in a license plate number, and we do have to make sure that we are adding in the license state and or province. Now we're going to jump over to our HOS settings tab. This is where we are going to select the appropriate rule set for our driver. We're going to enter in a home terminal name and home terminal address. And the home terminal name and home terminal address is going to be the motor carrier's place of business, where the driver would ordinarily be reporting for work. We're going to fill out the US DOT number if this company resides in the US. We're going to be able to turn on or off any exemptions that may be applicable for this driver depending on your company's policy. And then lastly, we do need to fill out the authority name and authority address fields. And this is going to be the motor carrier that the driver works for, as well as that main address. Now, this could be the same as that home terminal address, or it could be different. It depends on the size of the company. Once we have all this information in the system, we will click Save. And we should see our new driver added to our list of users in MyGeotab. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.